Hello and welcome to another Manna walkthrough tutorial. Today, we are going to focus a lot on our plans. So this is how you're going to learn how to navigate through and out, around, and all the circles about your reading plan. And so let's just jump right into Manna and get started. So where we're going to start with this is, I know we talked about onboarding in video 1, but we're going to look at where we can find our reading plan at all times, and that is in the More tab. So you go to the More tab, and if you scroll down just a little bit, you're going to see an area called Reading Plans. This is where you find out everything you need to find out about your reading plan. I know that a lot of our audience has come from Heart Dive, and so we do have Heart Dive 365 as one of the options, and that is kind of going to be where we hang out today, is in the Heart Dive 365 plan. But we also have folks that use this app that love the Grant Horner Bible reading system, and that is our Paths plan. And so we have the Messiah is the Gospel, McShane, Discovering Jesus, Heart Dive, the Torah portions. So we have different plans for different audiences, but today we're going to act like a heart diver. So we're going to choose the Heart Dive 365 plan. And then if you look at this drop down, it shows you what day you're on. You can view the plan. You can look at today's companion, but this is not where we will spend most of our time in our reading plan. To navigate the reading plan, we're going to go over to the Bible tab. So let's go to the Bible tab, and you will see this sun icon. You're going to tap this sun icon, and it gives you an option that says your rhythm. You tap on that, and ta-da! You are in your reading plan. Now, the way it works for Heart Dive is you can pick any day you choose, and the app will remember what day you are on, and it will keep that all throughout the app no matter where you encounter the Heart Dive plan. So for example, in circles, if you're in the Heart Dive circle, you can go to daily conversations and you see that it matches that day. You can also, sync to whatever day the circle is on, which is the calendar day. But that's just there for you to be able to, see where you are compared to where the circle is. But going back to the sun icon and going to your rhythm, you see that you can choose the days, and then there's a today button always right there, ready to get you back to today if you need to. So I'm going to tap on that, and now I'm in the current day. So then if I want to start reading, I just tap on this first card here, and it is going to open up this plan toolbar down here, and it's going to open up the plan. Now I am in continuous scroll mode, so it's going to look a little different, but this is the reading for today. If you notice, we have 5 readings. You can tap on this black button and it will take you back to your readings so that you could see all of them in one beautiful view. You can begin to scroll and read. If you noticed, at the top of each chapter is the companion icon, and that is going to open up the Heart Dive companion for that day, where you're able to see all of the study materials and the videos and all of the different phases of Heart Dive. It's all right there for you. And then this pause button, say you're reading and you need to take you feel full and you need to take just a pause, and you're on chapter 56, right? So we're going to hit pause, and the app should remember that you are on chapter 56. So you can go right back to 56, and it's going to save where you are in the plan. So that is super awesome. So you're always welcomed back. It doesn't feel like, oh, I missed a day. Oh, there's so much guilt. No, you just come back and you pick up where you left off. In fact, if it were to be tomorrow, my rhythm would still show today's day to 11, and it would give me this button again to hit for today. So it saves your day so that you're never lost, you're never off track, you just keep going where you left off. That is really how you navigate your plans. So say you are on one of our other plans, such as the Paths plan. The Paths plan opens up a few more options. So as you know, or may not know, this is based off of the Grant Horner Bible reading system, which is 10 lists, and you read 10 chapters a day, one from each list. And this app gives you the ability to customize that however you want to. So you can go to progress and import your progress in each of those lists. You can go to customize, and you have the ability to completely customize each list. And add a list, delete a list, all of the things. You can rename it. You can set your place in the list. You can choose the books that are in that list. You can do all sorts of different things here in the ability to customize those plans. But it's all done here in the More tab in your reading plan settings. So that is reading plans. That's how they function inside of Manna. And I hope that this has intrigued you enough to want to go to gathermanna.com and check this out. I look forward to sharing more in the coming days about this tab right here. This used to formerly be the library tab. In the next video, I'm going to share with you all about the new Remember tab. Very excited about that. So come back and join me for the next Manna walkthrough. I look forward to seeing you again.